Hello, I'm Lina Gumirova. I'm 30 years old and I'm from Karmaskali Gymnasium. My hobby is painting. My favorite subjects are math and art. Today I'd like to present you my handmade doll in a Bashkir national costume. National costume is folklore of Bashkir people. They made clothes from different materials such as fur, leather, cloth, long costume with sleeves. The traditional clothing was yelen. It was decorated with coins, embroidery. Yelen for women was sewn from colorful velvet silk and the other materials. Till the 20th century, Bashkir women wore dresses, kuljak, baggy pants, kin, pushtan, kamzol. To save the Bashkir costume, people use natural colors. The main colors are green, black, red, blue, brown. To make my doll, I took red and black cloth, green, white, and flowered ribbons and coins. First, I drew the picture of my doll. Then I cut it and sewed it. After that, I made a skirt, a dress, its hair. Then I sewed a black camisole and decorated with coins. I also made a fur cap. I like the process of my job and I like my doll. Thank you for listening.